Did you know millions of people saw completely different colors in the exact same dress photo? Some saw blue and black, others saw white and gold. Same image, different realities. This exposes something called naive realism. It's when you think you see the world objectively while everyone who disagrees is just wrong or biased. But here's the thing, your brain isn't a camera, it's an interpreter. Your past experiences, culture, and emotions all shape what you notice and how you understand it. Think about workplace arguments. Two people witness the same meeting but remember totally different conversations. Or political debates where both sides are convinced they have the facts while the other side is brainwashed. We easily spot other people's biases but stay blind to our own. That's why just presenting facts rarely changes minds. Everyone thinks they already have the facts. Next time someone disagrees with you, instead of assuming they're uninformed, ask yourself, how might a reasonable person reach a different conclusion from the same information? That's how you escape naive realism and actually start seeing clearly.